Hi, I'm Victoria. I'm going to be teaching you, not really teaching, showing you the 2x2s. I'm going to actually tell you my method on how to do it. As you can see, I can do speed. So, we'll teach you how to speed. And this is my brother. The name of his channel is his name. This is his channel. I'm just doing this for him. Okay?
So this is my sister's method.
So, we're going to turn like this. Go up, turn, up, turn, up, turn.
But to do the inverse, do the opposite.
Yep. Do this, and then down. This, down. It depends on what hand you don't write with. See, this is the hand I don't write with, this is the hand I do, and that makes it much easier.
But occasionally, this method may not work.
Yes. So, speed, side up, other way, side down. But otherwise, it does work certain times. Well, that's it. Boy.
Bye.